Benvenuti in DAKEN. Da oltre 10 anni produciamo accessori in plastica per veicoli industriali. 10 anni di qualità, innovazione e una voglia sempre nuova di percorrere strade diverse. Così siamo andati oltre la nostra zona di comfort con un nuovo grande progetto che parla di design, di funzionalità e di un nuovo protagonista, l'acciaio.
Top quality as always, best performance as always. Now also in steel for the new line of automotive products, Zen line. On the outside, all the linearity, resistance and elegance of a steel design. On the inside, all DAKEN experience applied to product functionality. I'd like to present you the Zen Toolbox. This is the result of an accurate project based on new geometries and a new patented design. A great innovation is the Zen Handle in stainless steel, which is patented too. The new opening vanishing system perfectly integrates with the product design. The lid has no welds, maintaining clean lines and at the same time guaranteeing resistance. Zen line has also completely restyled the traditional stainless steel T-handle, renewing its lines with a new patented design. That is how next T-handle was born. Here at DAKEN, nothing is taken for granted. The entire line is being conceived to meet the real needs of truck drivers. And here we leave the floor to Ivona Blerkik, trucker par excellence and famous influencer.
Hi guys, how are you? It's Ivona Blecharczyk and today I've got something very special for you. Straight from the country known for the greatest and sophisticated design. This is actually a world premiere of the latest DAKEN, as they say, work of art. Are you ready? Whoa, guys, look at that. Do you know, guys, how to recognize a real specialist? No matter if you're talking about the person or about the company. It's about the attention to details. Those tiny little details that seem to be irrelevant, but combined all together make a huge difference, leaving all competitors behind. And that's exactly the case. First glance and you immediately know that creating this toolbox, DAKEN put a lot of attention to every single detail. Look at those edges. There are no weldings in here on the lid, in the front, it's only bending. It's all nice and smooth, and here we've got laser welding on this side. You see how perfect it is? And that was only the beginning. Watch these handles. They have very cool features. First, they have polished finish, matching the finish of the whole Zen Toolbox. And look what happens when I press here. Ta-da! It pops out. Let me open it. And wait for it. How cool is that? They thought absolutely about everything. First, here we've got those things. Those things prevent the lid from falling and hitting the ground. And here we've got a rubber that keeps all your stuff dry inside. Alright. So close, simply press, and it's all nice, smooth, handles hidden. How unique is that design? You know what? Come to think of it, in my entire 10 years trekking career, I have seen many toolboxes, but I had never seen one like this before, neither in Europe nor in America. That's a very clever combination of functionality, high-tech production, and famous Italian style. And on the top of that, it is solid and resistant. Pure perfection. If only I had my own truck, I would love to have such a toolbox. Yeah. Well, you never know. Maybe one day I will have my own truck, and then I will have Zen Toolbox for sure. But now, thank you for your time, and see you next time. Bye.
Thank you, Ivona. Now let's get back to it. Besides the polished stainless steel finish, a matte finish is also available with the matching matte Zen Handle. The lid is attached to the body by aluminum hinges, designed to stand the test of time. In addition, Zen line includes the plastic version of the Next T handle. Several sizes, several opening systems, several finishes. The entire Zen line boasts numerous combinations. And you can also further characterize your toolbox with the gas springs, the lights kit, the drawer, the plastic hinges, and much more. So I must say, there are many possibilities, all suitable to satisfy your work needs and of course your taste. Now, let's continue discovering this new range of toolboxes by introducing the alternative opening versions. For example, the double door toolbox, which is perfect for fitting on trucks, tankers, and trailers. While the steel toolbox with aluminum shutter door guarantees a quick and easy opening. The opening is further facilitated by this aluminum handle profile. Finally, we have the toolbox with the lift-up lid, which saves a lot of space in the opening and closing phase. Zen line includes the retro cab storage box, made in electro-galvanized steel with plastic Next T handle, equipped with end stock piston as standard for an easy opening. Now I would like to present you the pallet box par excellence, a precious device that meets the needs of truckers. Look, it's actually very easy. It almost opens by itself. It is equipped with a one-of-a-kind patented system to facilitate the opening of the lid. In fact, thanks to the use of specially designed piston kits and a sliding system, Zen Pallet Box has been conceived to facilitate the work of truckers on the road. Easy and safe. Even the entrance pallet box is tailored to the needs of truck drivers. As you can see, it is equipped with a pull-out ramp, dumpers, and a patented anti-scratch roller conveyor to facilitate loading and unloading operations. This is Zen, the new automotive steel products line. Beauty and functionality, style and resistance.
Abbiamo predisposto un'intera area produttiva dedicata all'acciaio, con una linea completa di taglio, piega, saldatura laser e TIG, verniciatura e assemblaggio. Tutto in house, per offrire ai nostri clienti i più alti standard di prodotto ed un'ampia possibilità di personalizzazione.
Crediamo nelle persone, su chi ogni giorno lavora a questo nuovo progetto. Abbiamo infatti incrementato il personale specializzato nel settore acciaio. Abbiamo investito in ricerca e innovazione, depositando ben 5 brevetti che rendono unica la nuova linea Zen.
Abbiamo investito perché ci piacciono le sfide e perché, come voi, amiamo tenere i nostri motori sempre accesi.